Hey guys, this is Greg McLeod from the Elite Traders University and the Forex Cash Machine and my market heat map. And it is now 9:42 p.m. Asia session, and I'm trading the market. Going to scalp. Took a couple of pips here. Going to see if we can get a couple more pips. Get about 5 pips there, like $1,541 for this little trade setup. I'm looking for a break of the trend line and a move back to the old high. We have some higher highs here, and basically, I look at the market as like a cash machine, being able to go into the market at will, go large, take a small chunk out of it, and grab it, get out, grab and go, pip and run, grab and go. With all the things that are going on in the world with wars and different types of selling offs in the stock market, buying and holding kind of sucks, especially if you go to sleep at night, you have a portfolio and you're gonna live off that, and then it gets smaller and smaller. And so I like compounding my gains in my bank account, safe from all the volatility. But I deploy just enough capital to be able to trade and to get in and out of the market fairly quickly, and then get flat, turn everything off, and whatever happens while I sleep, I don't care. So, so we just got into these trades. I put another one on? I'm going to put another one on. All right. See if we can go for see if we get 10 pips out of that. 10 pips would be nice. 10 pips would be dandy. And so let's give it a couple minutes. We've got a nice little consolidation pattern where price tried to come back and retest the low back at 43.65, and it didn't seem like it wanted to do that. This is a 1 minute chart, but on the other side we have a 21 tick chart, and it's pretty active, right? In fact, if you are looking at the chart right now, if you're looking at a euro yen chart and you're staring at this thing, you're saying, it's not moving, Greg. What are you talking about? I don't see anything happening on my chart. In fact, let's take a look at a 1 hour chart of the euro yen, right? We want to go to the 1 hour time frame. Thank you. And if you look at the 1 hour chart, it's not a whole lot going on there, right? Big doji, indecision candle, long wick down. And if you are sitting here looking at this, you're like, you see nothing. But when you look closely into a 1 minute chart, you can see lots of structure, lots of volatility, all kinds of things are going on. And this is what Pip and Run's all about. We trade these micro trends, these in the pound dollar, the euro, and the euro yen, and we take advantage of that. Like, if you're looking at the 1 hour chart, there's nothing going on here in your world. In my world, I'm already up $274, right? But here, well, place my stop below the low. I'll wait for a breakout above the old high. Oh, by the time that's happened, I am in bed sleep, right? So let's see, give it a couple minutes now. It's 9:45. The market seems to get very antsy and gets very wound up around the quarter hours and the half hours and the full hour. So it's 5:15, 7:15, 7:30, 7:45. And a lot of these algos are programmed, on clocks, So midnight, you'll see a big move. Midnight GMT is 8 p.m. Eastern time. You'll see a big move. You see big moves at 12 midnight. You'll see big moves at 4 a.m. Giant moves at 6 and 9, right? Around lunchtime, traders go to lunch. They close out trades. Prices reverse. See, all you see on your 1 hour chart is, oh, the candle changed color. And here, I am up, I'm up a little bit, right? So we've got take profit for 5 pips. And, here we go. We should be able to limit out on this very shortly, so we can actually record it and show you guys what we do. Now, if you want to know how we do it, how we make the trade selection, and what are our entries, what are the patterns, what are the things we're looking for, that's when you probably really need to sign up for a strategy call or a discovery call to find out more about what we do and how we can possibly help you have the same results. Where I turn on the camera and start recording, and I'm making money, right? So we'll give it a little bit, right? And there are lots of different ways. I teach my students to set profit targets. Go to the old highs. There's old highs. There's Fibonacci's. There's a bunch of different things that we can use. I have indicators on other screens which show me different things too, right? You can see that the 38% retracement is pretty handy there. So we give it a couple of minutes there. You might have a little silence there. I might, if I'm not too tired, I'll add a music track or something in between. But I have some shrimp on the grill right now because it's it's 9:48, and I made a little snack, fried some steak. I got New York strip in there, and some shrimp and some green beans, and so it's having a late dinner. I was talking to a gentleman, he was talking to me about the short-term trading. Do I spend a lot of time? And it's like, I don't spend a lot of time. I used to spend a lot of time. I don't spend a lot of time on the charts anymore. Sometimes I get out. Like right now, it's kind of mellow, so it's takes a little bit of time, and I can take. In fact, you know what? I've got a battery and I've got a laptop. I'm going to take you guys with me, and I'm going to grab myself, get the shrimp out of the. First of all, close this door. And I'm going to open up my oven. Put my phone in my pocket. We're coming up on our profit target, and we're $758. And if you want to take that, you could. I think we 38% retrace, but I think we get a little bit more out of it. Throw a couple of shrimp over here, a couple of 3 shrimp there, and got some green beans there, and the winter steak dinner, right? I've got a little thing I tell my students. I said, you know what you can do is to really make this trading thing work for you. I have a 3-stage process. We start with simulation, and then after you do 90% win rate in simulation, you switch it over to demo. If you double your demo account, then you get to advance to a live account. And now if you look at the hour chart, you can see, okay, the candle's kind of moving a little bit, but you're still not in it. You're waiting. But then the 3rd stage is actually going to a live account, small live account, $100, $50. I took a $50 account to boom, there you go. First win, right? And then there's 5 pips there. And let's see if we can go a little higher, see if we can break that high. The stop's right there. Let's see if we have a stop run. Now, and if you're looking at this candle, you're saying, well, this is a hammer. We've got to wait for this hammer to close. I trade on closed candles because that's what they tell me. And then when this closes, I'll get long. I'm selling to you. You're buying it. You're going to be buying it from me, okay, if you wait to the next candle. And I don't mean to be a jerk or anything like that, but, I tell people either you learn how to trade with me, like me, or I take your money and I trade on the other side of you, right? I mean, so here we go. This is 9.4 pips, 9 pips. Let's see if we can, 9.4. I'm not going to be greedy. I'll take it. Okay. So there you go. Do you guys see that? It's pretty cool. So that 10 minutes to make, to make the price move up to the 43.92. Now we're at the 50% retracement. I don't care. I actually took a shot down short. Then I took 2 shots long, and let's check what that all came out to be. Okay. So again, the short, we made $69. Nothing to write home about. The first buy, we got out 1763.30, and the next one we got it for 3,027.90. We got it at 21.14. We got it at 21.41. That's a 27 minutes to make $69. Not bad. I knew I was in the wrong direction, so I just cut it and then flipped it. So see, I was selling like this is not going to keep going down. I got out. My indicators were telling me to get out. You see Amityville Horror? They're like knocking on the door, and they're like going, and they hear this, get out. And they go, oh, what was that? Oh, it's the wind. Yeah, it's the wind. No, it's not. Turn around and leave that place, right? But you wouldn't have a movie. 21.41.36, 21.50. So it took 9 minutes to make $1,763. It's 9 minutes. That's pretty good, huh? I have students that do it in 2 and 3 minutes, but they're showing off. 21.43, 21.51 took about 9 minutes, right? Or no, 8 minutes. 8 minutes. 8 minutes to make $3,000. So total for just you sticking around with me, $4,861.03. Okay. Is that cool or is that not cool? Okay. And that's just euro yen, right? That's just euro yen just now. Total of 14 to 43, 29 minutes, 30 minutes. So that's like 9,600. That's $10,000 an hour, right? That's euro yen, right? That's all I was trading just now. But today, I actually trade a lot. I trade a lot of Aussie dollar. I even posted it in the Facebook group to give you guys a heads up. So if you go, oh, Greg, your course, it's too expensive, I'm going to throw bones out there to help you out. But if you stare at them, that's on you, right? But I want to teach you how to fish, so you won't have to depend on someone throwing you a bone, all right? There you go, 46,682 for the day, right? For the month, if you want to get to the month. No, let's go to the month. Current month, and we did 140. I blew a bad period, right? But it's still 141,349.92, right? So that is and I still have more green than red. Look, green. Oh, red, right? And then last month was awesome, just simply awesome. Sell in May and go away. Yeah, I didn't go away though. I did sell in May, but I didn't go away, right? So look, that is the previous month, right? $877,442.87. It's like, yeah. I mean, can you dig this? It's pretty wild, huh? Well, you photoshopped that, Greg. It's like, yeah, sure I did. Yeah, sure I did. Yeah. Some of these trades, 1901 to 20, took an hour, 8 minutes, 10 minutes. I mean, wouldn't you like to learn how to do this? I would. If I were watching me, I would sign up. Whatever I had to click to sign up, that's what I would do. That's what you need to do. Click the link below, talk with Bruce or Michelle or a member of my team, and see if you qualify. We're real picky who we pick. Whiners, complainers. I gotta talk to my wife. If you got BS and issues, don't go on the call. Okay. If you're not coachable, don't get in the call. If you're already learning something else, don't confuse yourself with what I'm doing. Don't get on the call. Okay. Do me a favor. That will save us time and save you time. We're not gonna waste your time. You're not gonna waste our time. We only want people that are open and ready to make money, and who are coachable, who are well capitalized, okay, and who are ready to go. All right. That's my gift to you guys. I wish you all the best, and we'll see you later. Peace and pips. Happy pipping. It's Greg McLeod signing out.